Going right into the cage trap. He's checking it out. See if it goes in. See if he goes in and gets trapped. Oh, no. He went back to his hole. He's checking out. He got a nut in his hand in there. He's going back in his little hole. He might start and go back though. There he goes. There he goes. He found some goodies. He's gonna go back to the trap. He's checking the back. Got it closed on one side. Let's see, he goes in there. Saved me a trip. See how long it takes to go into that trap. Oh, he grabbed another nut. He's eating it. He's going back. Maybe he'll store it. He's going to go back. I put 3 pre-baits. I put 3 in the front of the trap so he can just grab it. So he's eating it. Patience. Let's see if I can. Here's Derek with the Luminex. We're here in Plainfield, New Jersey. Eastern gray squirrels already cut. 3 squirrels already. Put a trap on the ground where it's going to the tree. It's in the shelter. And this guy, he's being very careful. They're omnivores. They eat leaves. They eat everything. Nuts. They love nuts. Not very many species of squirrels can digest nuts and acorns. Except the eastern grays, they can digest anything. Here he goes. He's going to go back into his hole. He's going back into his hole. Okay. Well, all he needed was a couple peanuts. Is he not afraid that that his source of food is going to be taken by a competing squirrel? Isn't he worried about that? I caught his buddy in my other cage trap that was there before. Put him in the buckets. Have like little feeding tubes going inside. I have different sizes. See if he comes out. He's probably thinking about it right now. Alright, I guess I'll stop. That would have been nice to see it go in the trap. It saved me a trip. That would save me a trip. Every trip was $75 out of my pocket. Alright, I'm going to hang out here for a few more minutes.